Thanks to the generous support of Bosch, we were able to provide 3D printer filament for all of our elementary school STEAM labs across the whole district.
Medium. So what color is medium?
So what that entails is that students are able to bring their creativity and design to life through these 3D printed protocols. And then they can kind of investigate them and use them during their hands-on investigations in science.
And the plateau is high in the middle, and as you can see in the map, there's blue, and we were getting to the high part.
We've made mazes, we've done a skyscraper rendering, we've also done a kit that involved topography and exploring topographic maps.
It's a mountain.
Because of the abundance of filament that we were able to have in the classrooms, they were all able to have their designs sent to print and taken home.
I love doing the experiments. I like trying to craft something that's original and you made it, and you can say, I made that thing, and it's there and it's going to stay with you. It's something that you created.
We can put just a little bit more bird seed in there, and I think that one can use another scoop. Ready?
I'm a special ed teacher here at Washington Center. It's very different here than the traditional STEM labs have. We work on printing stuff for our students to access their environment. So that's adapted tools. For writing, we use adapted tools for eating. So this is a gripper for a pen, so the kids can hold it and use it to write with. Of course, this is a eating utensil, so they're able to grab and scoop their food. Just being able to give them the tools they need to access their environment has been amazing.
Students with disabilities, all students are able to 3D print, from K4 all the way up to our 5th graders here. There are a ton of STEM jobs out there in the real world, and so what we want to do is in elementary school just prepare them with the tools and the skills they need to be successful later on, and 3D printing helps make that happen.